In the intricate dance of metal fabrication, the press brake takes center stage, bending and shaping with a precision that turns sheets of metal into functional masterpieces. Let's delve into the press braking process. From the automotive lanes to the soaring skies and the towering buildings, press braking is the silent force that bends metal into shapes and forms that power our world. The press brake is a symphony of components, the bed and ram offering stability, the top punch and bottom die crafting shapes, and the back gauge ensuring precision in every bend. The journey begins with choosing the right press brake, setting the machine, preparing the material, and positioning the workpiece. With the tools adjusted and the CNC programmed, the dance of bending unfolds where metal meets precision and shapes come to life. But in this dance, every detail matters. The type and thickness of the material, the bending angle, the grain orientation, each plays a pivotal role in ensuring that every bend is a masterpiece of precision. And as the metal bends, safety takes the forefront. With protective gear adorned and safety protocols in place, every press, bend, and shape is a testament to the harmony of power and safety. In the automotive world, the aviation skies, and the elegant spaces adorned with metal furniture, the press brake is the unsung hero, its precision echoing in every curve, bend, and angle. As we embrace a world where metal takes intricate forms, let's pause and appreciate the press brake. A world where precision, power, and metal unite to craft the structures that shape our world. Journey deeper into the world of metal forming with ADH Machine Tool. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon to explore a universe where metal bends to the tunes of precision and innovation.